The most important relationship you ever have is the one you have with yourself. And if that relationship is weak, no amount of success, love, money, or affirmation will be enough. And that is why before you chase growth, love, healing, or even impact, you need to fix this first. You need to do this one thing that is so critical for your life: finding yourself. Not the version people expect, not the one who've been performing differently, but the real you, the person underneath the noise. And so in this video, I'm not just going to tell you why it all matters. I'm going to walk you through a 4-step process to actually help you do it. And so grab a pen, open a fresh page on your journal, your notebook, your Notion board, whatever works for you. Because the next few minutes may unlock the part of you that's been buried, ignored, or forgotten for years. Most people are strangers to themselves because since childhood we've been shaped by expectation, survival roles, culture pressure, societal comparison, and the desire to be liked. And so instead of growing into our fullest potential, we've adopted what feels safe in the moment. And after a while, we confuse those rules we've adopted with the person we are supposed or meant to be. But you cannot build a fulfilled life on a false identity, because your soul will always be yearning for that version of you, because you are out of alignment, out of the person you are supposed or designed to fully explore. And so in this video, let's bring back realignment, beginning now. This is a personal work, so pause this video if you need to. Write down each prompt as we make progress. Step 1 is: what are my values? Values are not goals. Values are your most important ideals. They are not nice sounding words like integrity or excellence either, unless you actually live by them. Your values are the core principles that, when honored, can make you come alive, feel whole, feel excited about your day and your life, and come at peace. When you ignore these principles, you feel anxious, off, and most times drained. And so beginning today, you're going to ask yourself certain questions that are designed to ask or to explore what is important to you. So ask yourself, what matters more to me than success? When have I felt most proud of who I'm becoming? And what am I willing to lose to stay true to this self, or this person, or this one thing that is important to me? I need you to write it down on your journal, your notebook, whatever it is. Example of such things are freedom, growth, honesty, mastery, family, creativity, stillness, impact, or even health. Because knowing your values becomes the GPS for your next decision, your next life, your next choice, whatever you do next. Without them, you will drift, asking random people who are equally confused for advice. Step 2 is: what are my interests? We often forget curiosity is a compass. What are the things that I'm pulled towards? Today is the day to re-examine and realign yourself with your interests. Ask yourself again: what am I naturally drawn to, learning or exploring? What do I love doing even when no one is watching? What used to excite me before life got busy or serious? Write it down again, 5 of them, no matter how random. Some examples are cooking, storytelling, fitness, technology, psychology, fixing things, organizing chaos. Your interests are clues to your design. Don't ignore them just because you don't feel or they don't feel productive yet. And number 3 are: what are my unique skills? This is where self-knowledge meets self-respect. You have strengths you've forgotten or downplayed because they come easy to you. Don't. Because what's easy for you might be hard for someone else, and that is what makes it valuable. And so ask yourself again today: what do people constantly ask me for help with? What have I been praised for in the past? And when have I felt most competent, powerful, or effective? Again, write these things down, 3 to 5 of them. Natural skills or things you learned. It could be public speaking, breaking down ideas, emotional intuition, organizing events, or strategic thinking. Finding yourself isn't possible without knowing your brilliance. Step 4 is: where do I feel most at peace with myself? This is the one most people skip because it is the anchor to the whole process. Finding yourself isn't just performance or productivity, but alignment. Alignment is peace. A Again, ask yourself this critical question. Where am I when I feel no need to impress anyone? Who am I with when I feel completely myself? What activities make me lose track of time and find a deeper calm? Write down 2 to 3 moments, places or environments that bring you peace. Maybe it's journaling at night, or cooking, or walking alone in nature, or creating in silence. Those spaces, that's the unfiltered you. Make more room for them. And so what pattern do you see out of all these processes? Go through your journal, your notes. Look at them carefully. Read them slowly. What themes show up in your values, interests, skills, and peace? That is your essence trying to be seen again. Because when you start making choices that reflect who you actually are, then and only then will you begin to feel whole. And from that place, you can build anything: a career, a business, a life, and a legacy. But it starts here. It starts now with a pen, a paper, and your undivided presence. And so finding yourself isn't a one-time journaling section. It's a way of moving through life. It's a way of moving through the world, curious, honest, and always aligned. Start here. Start now. Because the strongest version of you is the most authentic one. If this helped you reconnect with yourself, tell me in the comment section. And like, subscribe. And if you're ready to take this even deeper, watch next video showing somewhere on the screen. Hello, I'm Emeka, and remember, you are not lost. You are just buried under rules, noise, and distraction. Find yourself first, and then rebuild everything else. See you next time.